to move to British Columbia easily through BCPNP International Graduate and Entry-Level Worker Pathways. Are you dreaming of starting a new life in Canada, where clean air, natural beauty, job opportunities, and safety come together? Then British Columbia, one of Canada's most beautiful and economically thriving provinces, might be your future home. And here's the good news. You don't need a job in tech or a PhD to move here. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can immigrate easily to British Columbia through the BCPNP, especially if you're an international graduate or an entry-level worker. This is your 2025 complete guide. What is the BCPNP? BCPNP stands for British Columbia Provincial Nominee Program, a special immigration program that allows the province to select and nominate skilled workers, international graduates, and entry-level workers to become permanent residents of Canada. The goal is simple: bring in people who can contribute to the BC economy and stay long-term. If you're selected, you can apply for PR through Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada (IRCC), and you get priority processing. Focus of this video: in this video, we're diving into two BCPNP categories that are often overlooked but are incredibly powerful. The International Graduate Stream, for those who studied in Canada. The Entry-Level and Semi-Skilled ELS Stream, for those working in hospitality, tourism, transportation, food processing, or other entry-level jobs. These programs are designed for real people, not just executives, doctors, or software engineers. Let's get into the details. Number 1. International Graduate Stream. Let's start with the International Graduate Stream, perfect for you if you've recently completed a post-secondary program at a Canadian school. Here's how it works. You must have graduated within the last 3 years from an eligible Canadian college or university inside or outside BC. You need a full-time, permanent job offer from a BC employer. The job must fall under not Tier 0, 1, 2, or 3, basically skilled roles including supervisors, technicians, early childhood educators, office administrators, and more. The wage must be competitive for the occupation and region. Language test is not required if your job is in Tier 0 or 1, but you still should have good English. If your job is CER 2 or 3, you'll need CLB4 or higher. What's amazing is you don't need previous Canadian work experience. You don't need to be in a high-demand tech field. And you don't even need to have studied in BC, just anywhere in Canada. This program is your bridge from graduation to permanent residency. No express entry profile required. Number 2. Entry-level and semi-skilled ELS Stream. Now let's talk about one of BC's most underestimated pathways, the Entry-Level and Semi-Skilled Worker Stream, also known as the LSS. This stream is for people working in industries like tourism and hospitality, hotels, restaurants, resorts, food processing, meat plants, seafood packaging, etc. Long-haul trucking, entry-level, or labor-intensive jobs in Northeast Buckers. What you need: a full-time, non-seasonal job offer in one of these eligible sectors. At least 9 months of work experience with the employer before applying. CLB4 or higher in English or French. A high school diploma. Enough funds to support yourself is perfect for those already in BC on a work permit doing modest jobs but looking for a long-term future in Canada. What's more, the demand for workers in these roles is extremely high, especially in rural areas, so your chances of success are strong. How to apply step by step. Now that you know which stream fits you, let's go over the BCPNP process. Whether you're applying as a graduate or a worker, the steps are similar. Step 1. Get a job offer. This is your foundation. You must have a job offer from a BC employer that is willing to support your PNP application. They must be in good standing and actively operating. Step 2. Register online skills immigration registration system. First, create a profile on the BCPNP portal and submit your registration. You'll be scored based on your job offer, your wage, your education, your work experience, language ability, your job location. The maximum score is 200. Rural areas, higher education, and stronger English scores give you a boost. Step 3. Wait for an invitation to apply. ITABC holds regular draws, usually every 2 weeks, inviting people with the highest scores. Each draw targets different industries and streams. If your score is high enough, you'll get an ITA step. 4. Submit full BCPNP application. You have 30 days to submit your full documents. This includes employment offer, employer support letter, pay slips, work experience proofs, language test results, academic certificates, proof of funds. Will review your file and make a decision. Step 5. Get your nomination. If approved, you'll receive a provincial nomination certificate, which gives you 600 extra points in express entry if you're in that system, or a direct path to apply for permanent residency through non-express entry channels. This nomination allows you to apply for PR through RCC. Processing time and FES. The BCPNP process is relatively fast. The registration review takes 1 to 2 months. After nomination, your PR application through IRCC can take 6 to 9 months. Application fee for BCPNP, $1,150. CAT. This is non-refundable, so make sure your documents are solid. Tips to boost your success. Here are some tips to increase your chances of being selected. Get a job offer outside major cities. Places like northern BC or rural areas give you more points. Improve your language score, even if it's not required. It boosts your profile. Stay in touch with your employer. They must provide documents. Choose the right knock code. Some jobs give more points. Apply early. Don't wait till your permit is close to expiring. Keep your job. Losing your job before nomination can ruin your chances. And remember, you don't need to be perfect, just prepared. Life in British Columbia. After per narrator visuals of community life, schools, forests, and city centers. After you get your PR, you'll enjoy everything BC has to offer. Free healthcare, access to world-class schools and colleges, freedom to work anywhere in Canada, the ability to sponsor your family, and the peace of mind that you belong here long-term. Whether you're walking through the vibrant streets of Vancouver or enjoying a quiet moment near the mountains in Kelowna, you'll feel at home in British Columbia. British Columbia is calling. Whether you're a fresh graduate with big dreams or an entry-level worker with determination, the BCPNP has a place for you. The door is open, and unlike many immigration programs around the world, this one is real, reachable, and designed for people just like you. So don't wait. Start now, secure that job, build your profile, and take your first step to Canadian permanent residency. Need help with your BCPNP application? Have questions about the video or need clarity? Book a one-on-one session. Full info in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more immigration videos. Thanks for watching. Your Canadian dream is closer than you think.